Be ready. Start. It is at this juncture the petitioner has come up in this petition praying for exercise of inherent powers of this court for quashing of the complaint. Stop. The learned single bench of this court finding contradictory views over the interpretation of section 219 and section 220 CRPC, whereby offences which formed part of the same transaction could be tried together irrespective of their number, and the contrary view to it has thought it fit and thus has referred the criminal miscellaneous number 27622 of 2012 matter to be decided by a larger bench to comprehensively adjudicate on this issue. Stop. It is in the light of this the matter has come up before us. Stop. Heard learned counsel for the parties at length. Stop. The act has been legislated way back in the year 1881 with the purpose to regulate mercantile transactions. Stop. However, with the passage of time and evolution of complexities, it was felt necessary to bring about changes for better regulation of the merchanting system. Stop. It was with this end in view sections 138 to section 142 were inserted by the Bank, Public Financial Institution and Negotiable Instruments Laws within bracket Amendment Act 1988 with effect from 1/4/1989. Stop. This is an apt illustration of balanced and pragmatic approach adopted by the legislature for the economic development of the country. Stop. Honorable the Supreme Court of India, in interpreting the provisions of section 138 of the Act, have laid down the essential ingredients of this provision as follows. Stop. A person must have drawn a check on an account maintained by him in the bank for payment of a certain amount of money to another person from out of that account for the discharge of any debt, another liability. That check has been presented to the bank with in a Dory death conviction by High Court. Upheld judgment Ranjana Prakash Desai. Stop. In this appeal, judgment and order dated 16 and 17/5/2007 passed by the Punjab and Haryana High Court is under challenge. Stop. Para. The appeal is original accused number 1. Stop. He was tried along with Gurdev Singh, Surjit Kaur and Jaswinder Singh, original accused numbers 1, 2 and 3 respectively, by the Additional Sessions Judge Ludhiana in Sessions Trial number 16 of 1994 for offence punishable under section 304B of the IPC. Stop. Learned Sessions Judge by judgment dated 31/8/1995 acquitted all the accused. Stop. The State of Punjab carried an appeal from the said order to the High Court of Punjab and Haryana. Stop. Para. By the impugned judgment and order dated 16 and 17/5/2007, the High Court set aside the order of acquittal so far as the appellant is concerned. Stop. He was convicted under section 304B of the IPC and sentenced to undergo R1 for 7 years. Stop. He was directed to pay compensation of rupees 20,000 to the father of the deceased. Stop. In default, he was directed to suffer R1 for 1 year. Stop. The High Court noted that accused number 1, Gurdev Singh, was dead. Stop. So far as accused number 2, Surjit Kaur, and accused number 3, Jaswinder Singh, are concerned, the High Court gave them benefit of doubt and confirmed their acquittal. Stop. Being aggrieved by his conviction and sentence, the appellant has approached this court. Stop. Case of the prosecution. Stop. Para. The appellant was married to deceased Karnail Kaur bracket start, the deceased or Karnail Kaur bracket close in May 1989. Stop. Accused number 1 Gurdev Singh was his father. Stop. Accused number 2 Surjit Kaur is his mother, and accused number 3 Jaswinder Singh in his brother. Stop. The prosecution story is unfolded by PW2 Labh Singh, father of the deceased. Stop. He stated that on 25/6/1991 he went to meet the deceased to the house of the appellant along with PW3 Surjit Singh. Stop. The appellant, who was employed in the army, had come home on leave. Stop. The deceased was in tears. Stop. She told PW2 Labh Singh that the appellant and the other accused were demanding a scooter and a refrigerator and that her life was in danger. Stop. PW2 Labh Singh told her that he would meet the demand after the crop. Stop. On 1/7/1991, he was told by Pritam Singh, a resident of Karnail Kaur, had died on 30/6/1991. Stop. On 1/7/1991, when he was proceeding to the police station to lodge FIR, he met PW4 ASI Mohinder Singh, who recorded his statement. Stop. PW4 ASI Mohinder Singh forwarded it to the police station and a formal FIR was registered to PS under section 304B of the IPC against the accused. Stop. The accused were arrested. Stop. After completion of investigation, they were sent up for trial. Stop. The trial 2013 Sukhvinder Singh versus State of Punjab Supreme Court judgments. Stop. The prosecution examined PW1 Dr. Gurmeet Singh, who had conducted the post-mortem, PW2 Labh Singh, PW3 Surjit Singh, and police witnesses PW4 ASI Mohinder Singh. Stop. PW5 HC Kalmeet Singh, PW6 SI Maninder Singh, and PW7 Constable Angrez Singh. Stop. The appellant and the other accused denied the prosecution case. Stop. The view taken by the trial court. Stop. Over.